Welcome back to your math class. Hope you all are safe and taking good care of yourself. We will continue with our chapter 3 Roman numerals, and today we will learn how to write Roman numerals with the help of symbols. To write numbers in Roman numeral, we have to keep in mind all the rules to use the symbol to represent any of the number. Let us learn how to write numbers 4 digit 1 to 9 and 10. 1 will be represented as I since the value of symbol I is 1 only. For 2 we will write I 2 times since its value when added gives us 2. For 3 we will write I 3 times since 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 only. But we can repeat a symbol only 3 times. So to write 4, what we will do? To write 4 in Roman numerals, we subtract 1 from 5 because we are having a symbol V whose value is exactly 5. So from 5 we subtract 1. To show the subtraction, we write symbol I before symbol V. For 5 we know the value of symbol V is 5, so we will write V only. 6 will be written as 5 plus 1 because we are having two symbols V and I with us. And to show addition, we will write I on the right hand side of symbol V. 7 will be written as 5 plus 2 since we can repeat a symbol 2 times. So it will be written as VII in Roman numeral. For 8, we will write 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 since we can repeat a number 3 times. So it will be written as VII and I. For 9, 10 minus 1 because we can't repeat a symbol more than 3 times. So to show subtraction, we write symbol I before symbol X. And for 10, we know the symbol itself X is having the same value of as 10. So for 10, we will write X. Let us see how to write the other numbers. But for that, we have to keep in mind the Roman numerals, or you can say symbols, for the first 9 numbers, that is from 1 to 9, or you can say first 9 digit. How to write those 9 digit in Roman numerals? So let us see how to write from 11 to 20. 11 in expanded form will become 10 plus 1. For 10 we will write X and for 1 I. 12, 10 plus 2. For 10 we will write X and for 2 we will write I and I. 13. In expanded it will become 10 plus 3. For 10 we will write X and for 3 as I and I. 14. In expanded it will become 10 plus 4. So for 10 we write X and 4 as IV. 15. 10 plus 5. Again for 10 we will write X and 5 as V. 16. 10 plus 6. For 10 we know we have to write X only, and for 6 we will write V and I. 17. 10 plus 7. For 10 we will write X and 7 as V, I and I after it. 18. In expanded it will become 10 plus 8. For 10 we will write X and 8 as V, I and I. 19. 10 plus 9. We know how to write 9. For 10 X and for 9 IX. 20. How to write 20? Can anybody tell? 20 will get by adding 10 and 10 in expanded, you can say. So for 2 times 10 we will write 2 times X. Let us learn how to write now number in 20s. Again break 21 into expanded form, that is 20 plus 1. For 20 we will write X 2 times and for 1 we will write symbol I on right hand side of X. For 22 break it into 2 parts, that is 20 plus 2. For 20 we will write 2 times X and 2 will be written as 2 times I. 23. In expanded it will become 20 plus 3, again 2X and for 3 3 I's. 24. Broken into 20 and 4. For 20 2 times X and 4 as I and V after 2 times X. 25. In expanded it will become 20 plus 5. For 20 we will write 2 times X and 5 will be represented with the symbol V. 26. In expanded it will become 20 plus 6. For 20 2 times X and 6 will be written as VI. You can see that V is smaller in value. It comes on the right hand side for addition on the symbol of bigger value, and I is again smaller in value and it comes on the extreme right hand side of all the symbols. Now 27, 20 plus 7. For 20 again 2 times x, and for 7 as VII. 28. In expanded it will become 20 plus 8. 20 will be written as 2 times x and 8 as VI, I and I. 29, 20 plus 9. For 20 again 2 times x and 9 will be represented as I and x. Since we know how to write 9 by subtracting 1 from 10, and for subtraction we write symbol I on the left hand side of symbol x. 30. We will now write 30 as 3 times x, because when we add the value of x we will get 30. Now let us see how to write number in 30s. We will write 31 in expanded form as 30 plus 1. For 30 we will write 3 times x and 1 will be shown as I on the right hand side of these x. 32, 30 plus 2. For 30 again 3 times x and 2 we know that how to write with the help of 2 i's. 33, 30 plus 3. For 30 we will write 3 times x and for 3 times I. 34, 30 plus 4. First we will write 30 as 3 times x and for 4 I and v. 35, 30 plus 5. For 30 again 3 times x, for 5 we will write v. 36, 30 plus 6. Again for 30 we will write 3 times x and 6 as v and I. 37, 30 plus 7. 3 times x for 30 and 7 will be written as v, I and I. 38, 30 plus 8. For 30 we will write again 3 times x and 8 will be written as v, I and I. 39. What to do for that? We know that we can't repeat a symbol more than 3 times. So what we will do, 39 in expanded form will become 30 plus 9. Same thing, we will write 3 times x and 9 as 1 subtracted from 10, that is equal to ix in symbol. But for 40, can we write x 4 times? No, since we can't write a symbol more than 3 times. So what we will do, we subtract 10 from 50 and the symbol for 50 is L, and 10 for 10 we will write x, but we have to write x before L for showing subtraction. Let us see how to write number in 40s. 41 in expanded form will become 40 plus 1, but how to write 40? By subtracting 10 from 50 and adding 1 to it. The symbol for 50 is L. To show subtraction we write the symbol x before L, or on, you can say, on the left hand side of L, and I will be written on the right hand side of L. 42, 40 plus 2, same thing, 50 minus 10 to show 40, and to that we will add 2 and that will be written as XLII. 43, 40 plus 3, same thing, 50 minus 10, and to that we will add 3 in the form of 1, 1, 1 each, and XL and I to represent this number. 44, 40 plus 4. For 40 we will get it by subtracting 10 from 50, and to it we will add 4 in the form of showing subtraction of 1 from 5. XLIV is the symbol for it. 45, 40 plus 5. 40 again same thing, subtracting 10 from the value of 50 and adding 5 to it. So XL for 40 and V for 5. 46, 40 plus 6. From 50 we will subtract 10 to get 40 and to add 6 in the form of 5 plus 1, and in symbol we will write it as XLVI. 47, 40 plus 7. For 40 subtract 10 from 50, and for 7 add 5 and 2 together, and in symbol write it as XL, V, I and I. 48, 40 plus 8. For 40, 50 minus 10, and 8 we write it as 5 plus 3. Symbol of 5, and for 3 times I. XLV I and I. 49. 40 plus 9. We know how to write 40 and we know how to write 9. 50 minus 10 for 40 and 1 minus 10 for 9. So XL, I and X. And for 50, simply symbol L to show 50.